Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya, and we just completed watching the Telugu film Mechanic Rocky. Actually, we watched two films. One is Mechanic and one is Rocky. Mechanic is the first part, Rocky is the second part.
Fair.
Yeah.
No, Rocky has a value. Mechanic, this is not Mechanic Rocky for me.
Yeah, so your one line, Sanjay.
That was my one line. This is Mechanic. This is not a Rocky film at all.
Okay, so my one line would be the Rocky part of it was really good. I am impressed. But the mechanic part of it is too difficult to reach to the Rocky part. It will really test your patience. We'll get into the further review.
Before that, let me just give you a basics about what this segment is. So, what we like to do here is as soon as we walk out of the theatre, we would like to bring to you the freshest perspective, the freshest feelings right after watching a film.
Without any formulations, the
Yes.
way you talk to your friends and discuss, Mama, how was the movie?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Basically like that.
Yeah.
We want to serve you fresh opinions.
Yes, if you like this attempt, mention that in the comments below so that we understand whether you're liking it or not. Without any delay, let's get into the review. Yes, the movie is okay. It could have been amazing, but it ended up being okay because of the terrible first half. The second half, yes, the way the cat and mouse chase, without giving much spoilers, the characters, the way things start happening, anything you talk about the story, it will become spoilers. So the second half and the way it develops about frauds and all of that, it is very, very interesting. Every character has importance, equal importance, and the way they have developed it in the second half and the way they used each character is very, very good. But for you to enjoy, reach that position and feel, oh, this is what they were aiming at, you have to go through a first half which is very regular, very slow, very haphazardly executed, and the technical departments were also not complimenting. So yes, overall performances were good with whatever they have. Yeah, in one line, technical departments, everything kept aside. Mechanic, Rocky.
I'll talk about the technical departments first. Everything else was good. The videography was good. All the cinematography was good. Music by Jakes Bijoy is good. Sounds like you've heard this before from Saripoda Sarivaram, but it was good. It was fine, digestible. Talking about the story, I absolutely am disappointed with this. First half, I agree with you. Very bad, hard to sit through. Second half, very predictable. It isn't very, not very surprising. So, if you are moving on with the same lag as you carried in the first half, the second half also wouldn't matter a lot, wouldn't change a lot of things. So, I don't think there was a lot of character development or given a lot of importance to all the characters. I disagree with you in that part because still it felt like a Rocky film. I somehow felt that okay, spoiler free, so I will let that part. I will leave that part. I won't give any spoilers. That is basically what I felt. Second half also I wasn't very invested in the film.
Yes.
In total, a disappointment for me.
Yeah, for me, another important thing that I wanted to talk about is Vishwak Sen. Vishwak Sen is an actor who has a lot of potential and who has scope for experimenting, and he has been doing that a lot. And I would really like to see him in more different roles because, especially with this performance, it just feels like Vishwak Sen went to the set and he's just being Vishwak Sen. So, whether it's writing or the way he's presenting the character, some difference and some nuanceness is something that I was really expecting. It's not that he did a bad job. He did a really good job, Rocky character, but again, it looks very similar to the performances that he has been doing with the dialogue delivery, expressions and all of that. So
It
yes,
is basically when the setting and the character backstory changes. That is the only change you see in this
Yeah.
performance when compared to all the other Vishwak Sen performances.
correct.
I won't say all of the others because there are films. He has a variety of filmography in his filmography.
Yeah.
It is not very okay, every film it is just this. But recently that has been happening
Correct.
a little bit.
I
So
want
the
more movies like
monotonousness-
Dami and Gangs of
I
Godavari.
mean, sprinkle it.
Yeah,
You can do this, do that also, but there is a way to become a mass hero, and this is the way that everybody follows, I guess.
Yes.
But then the times changing, world's changing. You
Yeah.
came and promised a change, so live up to that promise is what I
yes,
say.
and also director Ravi Teja. Yesterday we watched Zebra. The review was also on the channel. the compulsion, I don't know, I don't understand, Sanjay. Is it a compulsion just to satisfy audience, or are we used to that kind of cinema? Trying to put all the regular generic tropes when you have an interesting point. You know, it feels like it is diluting and dumbing down the concept or taking audience for granted a little. This movie also has some tropes like that which can be avoided.
See, oh, there again I disagree with you
Okay?
because I feel like the plot of the film is generic,
Okay.
and therefore the director tried to do a few things here and there. Again, see, the experience for me would be completely different if
Yeah.
the interval plots or the way the pacing in the first half and the second half was managed better.
Okay.
So I feel that is, while I'm standing here and listening to you, I feel that would have been made my experience better personally, my personal opinion. So here I don't really fault the director adding the extra masala elements, because I feel like that was the entertaining part rather than what was happening in the
Whoa.
story. I'm like, it was not very shocking, not the twists and turns weren't very
Twisty and turny.
moment wasn't there for me. So I'm like, yeah, I'm already bored after the first half. This isn't making anything better for me.
Yeah, the first half actually. Yes, so you can clearly see that we both have conflicting opinions here. So similarly, we always keep telling you, this is our opinion. You might have a totally different opinion. Which one of the opinions you agree? Mention that in the comments below. And if you have a different opinion altogether, please mention that also in the comments below. For more videos, please check our channel. We do a lot of reviews, reactions, analysis videos,
We're
and all of that.
Literally sweating it out for you guys.
Yeah. Dhoop se. Yeah, with that, this is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponappa, and you're watching India Today So South.